Alright, let's get started. Boys! So today we're going surfing for the whole weekend and we're super stoked and
It's stormy as fuck.
we're gonna have fun. It's raining outside! Alright, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Go!
I have to lock the door.
Ah! Ah! If you want.
What do you think?
Yeah, we could buy some eggs. Yeah. We should definitely buy some eggs. No man, ice cream, it's so cold out there. Basics, bread and soup.
You are like a surfer before a surfer competition.
Fuck you, bro. Another one.
Yeah.
Man, that's such a cool video. Well done, bro. We're 200% ready. Fuck, look. Man, that looks so pretty. It's on!
Let's go surfing, man.
Not really huge size, but we'll have fun. Oh man, that's a nice ride. Yeah, bro. Here we go, boys.
I can't take it anymore. 'Cause I'm feeling that I'm lost inside, trying to get over you.
Cheers. Having hot chocolate.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Made it. Some hot chocolate right now.
I agree. Really good. With the pony tape.
Really good. Yes, we've been.
Come on, you fucking.